Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save videos from Google Drive to your Android phone. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your device, open the Google Drive. Once you open that and you're logged into your account, go to the video that you wanna save. Here on this interface, you will see all your uploaded videos on your drive. Now, if you want to save a video, go to that video. Suppose I wanna save this first video. Now without opening that video, we can simply download that by tapping on the three dot icon on that specific video at the right side of your screen. Once you tap on there, a drop down menu will pop up and on there we will see bunch of options. So from there, search for download and then tap on download. Once you tap on download, this video will be downloaded and then will be saved into your Android device. But if you want to open that video and then you want to download, once you open that, again tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner and then again a drop down menu will pop up from where we will tap on download. If you tap on download, again the video will get downloaded. Once it is downloaded, and now scroll down your notification panel on your device, and on this panel you will see that downloaded one file. So your video is already downloaded. Now to check that, open your gallery on your device. Here you can see the downloaded video. So in this way we can simply download or save videos from our Google Drive to the Android phone. I hope this video helped you and make you to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.